Once you start as a small businessman, just be confident of what you're doing, then think bigger. My name's David Kioko Kileu. I was the first person to bring mafuta in Kalongo market, so they nicknamed me Kuwait. I started thinking about hardware. Then I had some challenges on carrying materials. Now and then I supply schools. Once you have no truck, then you're out of job. A few years back, the rolling rolled over the mountains. Whew, I could not sleep the whole night. I could not think that I'll be back again. But with the UAP, I was repaid back. And I went for a bigger truck. And that is why I said, now think bigger. I have a lot of confidence with the UAP insurance company. Once they insure your property, be assured that in case of anything, you'll be repaid.